Who is a depository participant? So a depository participant is a registered agent of the depository concerned, and it is through the DP that an investor gets the services of depository. Generally, the stockbroking firms also act as depository agents. Since depository cannot be present into most of the cities or most of the places, hence the depository participants are there who act on behalf of depositories, and they make the general investors take the benefit of depositories by being depository participants. To avail this service, one has to open the depository account or beneficial owner account with the DP, that is depository participants, and shares for dematerialization have to be surrendered. So once you open the account, whatever shares you have in the physical form, you need to surrender it to DP so that they can convert it into the dematerialized form and put the amount in your demat account. Banks, NBFC and stockbrokers can act as a depository participants after obtaining the required approval from SEBI and also complying with other statutory requirements. Now, the DP account links the investor to the depository, which in turn has electronic links with the stock exchanges and their transfer agents who will be transferring the ownership from person A to person B. This interface of the depository with various associates opens up a lot of services for the investors or to the investors through the DP account. For example, payment or receipt of shares towards his transaction via stock exchange can be made very feasible and easy because of a depository account or DP, depository participant account. Receipt of bonus or right shares from the corporates in which he or she has made investment. This also becomes very much feasible and easy if the investor has the depository participant account.